Think your iPhone can't surprise you anymore? Meet the case of the pink iPhone 17 Pro. Quick timeline. People started noticing a subtle pink tint on screens, on camera bumps, a few weeks after unboxing. Not every unit, just some. So what gives? Short answer. Chemical box. Nox Gimanin Naxurn. Kind of chemical reaction, not a design choice. Longer answer, and certain adhesives, anti-reflective coatings can change color when exposed to heat, light, specific oils, from phone cases, from skin. In rare situations, pigments shift toward pink. Apple's aware and investigating. Some users say replacements fixed it, others say it returned. Here's what you can do now. Avoid tight silicone cases that trap heat. Keep your phone out of direct sunlight for long stretches. Clean the edges gently with a microfiber cloth. Skip harsh chemicals. If the tint appears, back up your data. Contact Apple support. They may offer diagnostics. They may offer repair. They may offer replacement. Why it matters? Make you ducken be basin bakken not or jockender bakken. Den be ka pink tint affects display color accuracy. It can hurt resale value. And it looks weird in selfies. Apple's likely to patch manufacturing or materials in future batches. For current owners, practical fixes and support are the way forward. So, not a new color option, just a glitchy pink surprise. Follow for more fast tech facts. Drop a comment if your iPhone 17 Pro went rosy.